So how to open a zip file in your Windows 11? You see, this is my zip file. You can open it through a different way. I will show the exact way and easiest way. If you double click on this zip file, then you can see the file. You can copy and paste it easily. You see, it's separated. And the other way is if you press on right click, and then you can see the extract all. Then you have to choose your path. Suppose I am selecting desktop, new folder, select folder. Then once you press on extract, then your file automatically gone there. But the easiest and safest way is you have to install WinRAR. So this is my WinRAR, type WinRAR for Windows and download it. I already downloaded it, so I am now installing it. Install. Okay, then go to my profile, zip file again. Then you can see the WinRAR option and extract file, extract here. So press on extract here. Then I already extract here. Yes, all. Then it's second file, WinRAR, extract here. So it's the easiest and safest way actually. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching.